is the one thing that no one can take away from you. And it's the most generous thing you can do for all of humanity. Because when you love yourself, you love the whole world. So this is my daily self-love and empowerment ritual that I do every day. And I want to share it with you. Number one, you're going to put your hands on your heart, and you can also put one hand on your heart and one hand on your womb center, seat center, and just take a moment to breathe into your heart and feel your own beautiful heart. Number two, the next thing that you're going to do is think about 3 things that you're grateful for. Just take that moment to think up any 3 things that you're grateful for. Number 3, the third thing that you're going to do then is you're going to think of 3 things that you're proud of yourself for, that you can celebrate about yourself. I'm proud of myself for, today I celebrate 3 things. Number 4, then you're going to think of your top 3 desires for the day and get really clear about what you want to do or how you want to feel today. And then number 5, you're going to repeat this affirmation that I encourage you to memorize because it's so powerful. I can talk about this for a long time. But for now, just put your hands on your heart and do it with me. I deeply and profoundly accept, respect, forgive, celebrate, and love myself. Take a breath. Feel that in every cell of your being. No matter what has happened, what anyone else did, what you did, you can still always deeply and profoundly accept, respect, forgive, celebrate, and love yourself. So this is something that takes less than 5 minutes. And I'll give you a quick little example of how I would do it. Just wake up in the morning, my mind starts racing, thinking about all the things, and I just come back to presence, put my hands on my heart, take a few deep breaths, and I think, today I'm grateful for living in the jungle, grateful for my health, grateful for my partner. You can also share it with your partner if you have one next to you. And I'm celebrating and I'm proud of myself for getting out there in the lineup and surfing some big waves. I'm proud of myself for doing my practice. I'm proud of myself for the way I supported the people in my group. So just 3 things or more. If you can think of more, go for it. And then my 3 desires of the day are to be really present in everything that I do, to teach a really good Shakti Yoga Sadhana class, and to have some good quality time with my partner. And then I put my hands on my heart and I say, I deeply and profoundly accept, respect, forgive, celebrate, and love myself. And then you can roll out of bed and start your day so full of love and confidence and joy and gratitude, and it will change not only your day, but everyone else's day around you. Joy. Namaste.